Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's class, we shall be looking at coordinate geometry. And under this topic, we'll be looking at distance between 2 points. Before we start the calculation, so let's take a look at how to derive the formula. So I have my y-axis and also my x-axis. Then I have a straight line. On the straight line, I have 2 points. This is the first point and this is the second point. I name the first point point A and the second point B. Now, point A has the coordinates to the x-axis and forms x1, and the coordinates to the y-axis to form y1. Point B also has a coordinate to the x-axis, which is what? X2, and the coordinates also is going to be a straight line to the y-axis. So the coordinates of point B move to the x-axis to form x2 and also move to the y-axis to form y2. So, so I'm going to connect these points with this line, and by doing that, I'm going to have the right angle triangle. Now, don't forget, this place is the distance between A and B. The distance between A and B, the points A and point B. Now, when you look at this, I have my x2 here, and also I have my y2 here. Now, for this, I have my x1, and I also have my y1. Now, the next thing is to find the distance. Before we do that, we need this side and this side. For this side, we have x2 and x1. Now, this side is going to be the difference between x. Difference between x. And to know the difference between x, that is going to be change in x, which is referred to as x2 minus x1. The change in s is x2 minus x1. For example, if this place is 4 and this place is 2, and you want to find the change, that is the difference between them, that is going to be 4 minus 2. So, but here it is represented with x2 and x1. So that is going to be x2 minus x1. Now, this side we have the change in y. For example, if this place is 4 and this place is 2, the change in y will be the difference between y2 and y1, which is going to be 4 minus 2. But here we know we have y2 and y1, so I'm going to use y2 minus y1. Now we can proceed by finding the formula to calculate the distance of between 2 points. Now, we are going to use this, since this is a right angle triangle, we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem, I'm going to have this square equals to, going to open brackets, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Don't forget, in Pythagoras theorem, if I have my right angle triangle and I have 4 here, 2 here, to find the hypotenuse side here, if I name it A, it's going to be A square equals to 4 square plus 2 square. The same thing we are doing here. So the next thing here is going to be A equals to square root of 4 square plus 2 square. So I'm going to do the same thing here now. So this is going to be D equals to square root of s2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now, this is the formula to calculate distance between 2 points in a coordinate geometry. In our next video, we shall be looking at examples on difference on distance between 2 points. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.